Okay, today is Russian Easter, and I'm gonna show you how to make eggs. So in Russian tradition you have to paint eggs or put some stickers, but stickers is kind of cheating method. So, but I don't want to paint, so we have to, this is boiled eggs. I just boil these eggs. So, and I put them in a cold water to make them cold. So they're already cold. And now I'm gonna do the stickers, but I'm not sure, I do this first time. So let's see. So instruction says like this, I have to put like this. Oh, hi, how are you? Then, oh, right here. And then I have to put them in hot water. So this is my boiled water. So, I don't know, we'll see what will happen. For a few seconds. Yeah, like this. Beautiful.
Yeah, finish.
Yeah, that's it. So, then I put it back and start over. For a few seconds.
Put it together.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, one by one. And then we have to fight. Whose egg stronger?
You can put it together and then
Maybe together, yeah, let's try together.
easier.
So you can film like this.
Okay, finish?
Yeah,
Okay.
this no good.